So today I'm going to be going over a few ways that you can upgrade your Windows 11 security in just a few steps. And honestly, this makes a massive upgrade to your overall security on your computer to protect you from viruses, malware, and other threats that you don't want. So to begin, one of the first things we're going to have to do is go to the privacy and security section. You can go to your settings and search that at the bottom in your search bar or your Windows bar, and then once there, simply click privacy and security. From there, you're going to want to go ahead and click Windows Security, and then you're going to want to scroll down and you'll see Virus and Threat Protection, Account Protection, Firewall, App, Browser, and then Device Security. We're going to want to click Device Security here. This will open up this window and it'll bring us exactly to where we need to be, which is Core Isolation. As you can see, for me, I have not actually done this, but Core Isolation helps keep your device safe by protecting the Windows kernel. Memory integrity is off, your device may be vulnerable. So you'd want to be turning memory integrity on in this case. So you'd want to go ahead and click Core Isolation Details, and you can see here memory integrity is off, your device may be vulnerable. You can go and toggle that on, and then click Accept, and this will allow for your computer to turn this on and have Core Isolation on. This may require you to go ahead and restart your device. As for me, it does say this change requires you to restart your device, but as for now, I'm not going to do that. We'll leave it as is, and I will do that later, just to give you guys perspective on how that works. But just like this, you'd go into Core Isolation, toggle it on, and this will actually upgrade your computer security a lot more than you might think. And a lot of people don't realize that this is a feature on the Windows 11 PC. What this does is essentially block, deeper attacks that might come at your computer that, typical antivirus and malware protection might miss. So this is a key feature that you should have on your Windows 11 computer turned on. Next, we're going to come over to Virus and Threat Protection in the same Windows Security field here. And once here, we're going to be able to see the different areas that we can edit and pay attention to. So in Virus and Threat Protection, we can see here we have current threats, no current threats, the last scan that was done, and we see 0 threats found, etc., etc. You can run a quick scan, but we want to make sure that everything here is up to date. And we can see this by simply going over right here, and we can see for me, security intelligence is up to date, and this is incredibly important, and a lot of people overlook this, that if you don't update your Windows Defender and stuff, basically you can be more at risk to different types of malware. This is the same thing that's true for iPhones and different types of cellular phones. Just because if you're, the software and the stuff that you're using isn't up to date, sometimes there's vulnerabilities that other people are able to find and bad actors are able to, profit over and profit on. So by you doing this, you're verifying that things are covered and you're up to date on everything, including the security intelligence and virus and threat protection. So make sure that you update if it's not already updated. Now, once confirmed that it's up to date, what you should do is go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings, and you're going to want to go to Manage Settings. You'll click this, and this is very important because sometimes people turn this off. You're going to want to make sure that you have your real-time protection on. Sometimes people will turn this off if you're downloading a certain type of program that maybe you have to turn it off briefly. I've done that in the past and actually forgot to put this back on, so it's incredibly important to have your real-time protection on. Even if you have separate antivirus software, it's just important to have as much as you can, and this definitely helps because it's native to your Windows 11 PC. So we can see here real-time protection locates and stops malware from installing or running on your device. You can turn this off. You can turn off this setting for a short time before it turns back on automatically. Now, sometimes it might glitch and not go back on automatically, so it's very important to just verify, especially if you recently turned it off. So that's about it for today in terms of what we will be showing you regarding upgrading your overall security on your Windows 11 PC. We wanted to keep it short, concise, and just, quick ways that you can upgrade your overall security. Now, in the future, we will be doing a larger video, a more in-depth video of other ways that you can upgrade your security with a bit more, not so beginner-friendly tactics. But this was just a quick way that anybody can basically upgrade their overall security on their Windows 11 PC with just a quick few simple steps. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.